two birds and a moose. Moose really wants to join two birds at the top of a tree. But how does a moose climb up a tree? Two birds in a tree, one red, one blue. Boing, 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 and a moose. One upside-down moose. Yikes! Hold tight, moose. Thwong. Whoops. Bye, moose. Two birds on a wire and a balloon. With a moose. Up and up, higher and higher, into the sky. Pop! Oh no! Uh-oh! Down goes moose. Down, down, splat! I am okay. What now, moose? Do you ever give up? Pardon me. Excuse me. Watch your feet. Look at that moose go. Almost there. Hold tight, moose. Yowza. One moose in a tree. Worth it. Hello? How do I get down from here?